In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet. Google Meet is a straightforward way to run video calls, real-time meetings, or even larger online conferences with helpful tools that make communication easier. To begin, open your web browser and go to meet.google.com. You can also use the Google Meet app on your phone or tablet if you prefer. For this walkthrough, I'll use the website so it's easy to follow along. If prompted, sign in with your Google account. The first time you visit, your browser may ask for permission to use your camera and the microphone. Choose Allow so others can see and hear you. A quick tip, make sure you're in a quiet space and that your camera and mic are selected correctly in your device settings. On the Google Meet landing page, look for the button labeled New Meeting. Click it and you'll see 3 choices. Create a meeting for later generates a unique meeting link you can share. This is perfect when you don't want to start right now. Copy that link and send it to participants using your usual communication channel. Keep it handy and share it only with people you want in the meeting. Start an instant meeting. Opens a meeting room immediately. This option is great for quick ad hoc conversations. When the room opens, you'll see a preview of your camera and a toolbar to mute your microphone or turn your camera on and off. You can invite others by clicking the option to add people or by copying the meeting link from the meeting details and sending it out. If your audio sounds choppy, try using headphones or muting when you're not speaking. Scheduling Google Calendar takes you to Google Calendar to set up a meeting for a specific date and time. Add a title, choose the time, and add guests. Calendar automatically includes a meet link in the event, making it easy for everyone to join from the event invite. This is the best choice for planned sessions because reminders and time zone adjustments are handled for you. There's also another way to access Meet. From the Google homepage, look at the top right corner for the Google Apps grid icon. Click the grid to open the list of Google tools, scroll until you find Meet, and select it. Once you're in, the process is the same. Click New Meeting and pick the option that fits your situation. That's it. Whether you need a quick call, a link to share for later, or a fully scheduled event, Google Meet makes it simple to connect.